My name is Jazzy.
The main aim of Jazzitup Kids is essentially to offer English language and to instill learning with a huge sense of adventure.
I mean, a lot of the structure and a lot of the work that we do as Jazzitup teachers is that it's all through songs, games, connecting with other students, using the language, having purpose.
If my children, my girls, want to come every morning, you know, they wake up at 7:30, very early for them, and they, oh, what time is it? We are going to be late, you know, running and taking the tube and, you know, everything new. This is fantastic. And indeed, I think they have learned during just 5 days. So next year we are going to repeat for sure.
We offer themes every day, and we try to offer a meaningful teaching experience, which is offering language, vocabulary, stories, beginning, middle, end, with story comprehensions, which is great for working memory.
We come since 3 years every year. My daughter is 6 years old, and so they play here, and by playing she learns many vocabulary she can understand, and she's happy.
I think the best thing is that it's multi-place where you can do everything. You can play, you can learn, you can make friends. It's the best thing. That it's not only learning, only performing, or it's multi-place. So it's the best one for me.
The excursions are very, very popular and mainly consist of active workshops at the venues that we go to.
The whole day is all about interacting with the children, learning through songs, music, dance. You know, we've just done choreography, but we're constantly using English. And that's the biggest advantage for the parents, because their child is learning and having fun.
At the end of every day, the children have done a little bit of everything. They've done some sitting down workbook story. They have become that story by acting it out informally at the end of the morning. And then they've gone into a live situation and seen how we use that language.
Very central locations, so for parents are fantastic. Also, I think the London life, you know, if you want to study in London, you want to be in, you know, in the heart of London. So I think the location is fantastic, and the school inspiring, I think.
It's a very well thought out way of kids to enjoy themselves, to see London, to learn language, and also to learn a set of new skills.
Next summer, three kids of my friends will come with us, I think. I can recommend that this is the place where you can learn, where you can play, enjoy, and also it's a good place for the parents, because you can leave your kids and be absolutely sure that everything is okay, that the kids are happy.
Hope to see you again very soon. I am from the stars. I am from the stars. Jazzy, 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 jazz it up.